Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have an extremely exciting video that I'm going to share with you guys today. I just came into some really amazing news, and honestly for the last couple of days I've just been processing everything because it's something that has always been a dream of mine. It's something I always wanted to do, and it's actually become a reality for me. What I wanted to talk to you guys about was the fact that I got a new job. Now, I always come back saying new job, new job, new job. As you can see, I don't really like to stay in one place, if you will. I just knew that I had a certain goal that I wanted to achieve. So this actually fits right into my goals. I got hired as a senior sales ambassador for the brand Lush Cosmetics. So for those of you who don't really know about Lush, Lush is a 100% vegetarian and almost 90% vegan skincare company that was originated in the UK. Lush is a really amazing brand that essentially provides so much more than just your skincare problems. They are advocates for animal testing. They are advocates for LGBTQIA rights. They are also advocates for so many things like eco-friendly materials and recycling and just everything that we should be doing. This brand has gone above and beyond to do. I'm a firm Lushie and I am a complete stan. That's what a Lushie means. It's somebody who is just obsessed with Lush, loves their products. I've been using them for over 5 years now. Things like exfoliators and moisturizers and fresh face masks have been something that has always been in my daily routine. So what I'm coming on here to talk about, I'm not just here to loads about my accomplishments. I want to talk about all the stuff that Lush has gifted me as becoming a employee. I have gotten so many amazing products for completely free just because they want us to try it. They want us to practice what we're going to be doing in the stores with our people in the house. So yeah, let's just jump. First thing I want to talk about is this hair treatment. This is the Jasmine and Henna Fluff Ease hair treatment. So this is going to condition and smooth it. It has organic extra virgin olive oil. It also has red henna infusion. However, this particular henna infusion is completely clear, so it's not going to have any dyeing effects on the hair. This is essentially going to grab around the dead parts of your hair, so like your split ends, your frizz areas, and really just going to smoothen them out, condition them, and just relax your hair so that we can combat frizz and also fight some of the damage that we have done to our hair. For those of us that can't seem to stay away from dye and bleach and all that. The product that I'm going to talk about is another hair treatment. This is Roots. So this one I got in a sample size. I didn't get a full bottle for this particular treatment. This has sweet orange oil in it. It has peppermint oil, and this is essentially just going to really lock in moisture and hydrate your hair. So this is great for somebody that has a lot of dry hair. It's also going to be really voluminizing. So if you have thin dead hair that just can't seem to get any volume to it or shape, I would 100% recommend Roots. So both of these treatments that I showed you so far, just to throw in, you're supposed to do 20 minutes before a shower. You don't need to add any heat to it. You just let it sit in the hair and then you wash it out. So the next two products I'm going to show to you together. This is Fairly Traded Honey, which is a shampoo, and this is American. We'll start with Fairly Traded Honey. Fairly Traded Honey is actually 50% honey, so it is super hydrating. It's also going to be good for people that have sensitive scalp. Also has neroli oil, which is going to be super soothing on the scalp. A little bit of this does go a very long way, and I say that with the utmost honesty. I'd say put a little bit on, maybe just like a quarter size, and try to really massage it in and then add from there. Let's talk about the American conditioner. So this conditioner has fresh strawberries in it. It also has honey, and it has lavender oil, which is going to be really soothing even just to smell. So this is really good for like before you go to bed, you wash your hair. It's gonna calm you down, it's gonna soothe you. This is super good if you want to smoothen out your hair, you want to hydrate it as well. This is gonna allow all of that. That's why I decided to pair the two, because they do have similar ingredients and I feel like they work well together. I actually did use these two in the shower, as well as did the jasmine and henna fluffies beforehand, and this is day 2 of my hair, which honestly doesn't happen often. Sometimes I have real problems with day 2, like I'll sleep in it and then it's like a mess, and I feel like this really helped lock in body and moisture, so really great. The next product I want to talk about is Super Balm. So once again, this is coming in a sample size. Super Balm is basically for those of you out there who struggle with dandruff or psoriasis or itchy patches, even scabbing on the head, which I do suffer from a couple of those things. So I picked this one up. Essentially what you're supposed to do is, using a comb, section your hair and allow this to just be rubbed into the skin. I'll show you what this one looks like since it's a little hard. So Super Balm has candelia wax, it has rose wax, and it also has lavender oil, so it's going to be super soothing on the skin. This is so important for me. Like, out of everything, I was like, I need this. So I'm really excited to try it, and I will keep you guys up to date on how this product works for me. Now we're gonna move on to the body in the shower. So I have a shower gel called Rose Jam. So Rose Jam is going to be great for anybody that likes really rosy scented things. I personally am obsessed with rose scented products, so this is perfect for me. It was right up my alley. I had to get it. This rose has goji berry juice, this has Sicilian lemon oil, and it also has rose oil. So all of these products are going to be really soothing on the skin, brightening on the skin, especially that Sicilian lemon oil. That is really going to help brighten skin. It has a citrusy scent to it, so if all those things scream you should definitely check this. The next 2 products I'm going to talk about is a facial and body cleanser, as well as a facial and body scrub. So the cleanser is called Dark Angel. Dark Angel is infused with such beautiful Dark Angel have cold pressed avocado oil, which, if you guys don't know, cold pressed oils are oils that essentially don't undergo any heating processes, so it's extremely rich and raw, as well as rose oil. So this cleanser is going to be really good for sensitive skin. Oh, it smells amazing. If I could explain it to you, it's kind of like earthy, like a tea, but very citrusy, if you will. So it's black, so you literally can't see in it because it's the same exact color as this container. And Dark Angel is said to give everybody like a rush on the skin, very awakening, very invigorating. Now ocean salt is people's go-to. This is the self-preserving ocean salt. There are 2 types. There's the self-preserving, and then there's the one that has some preservatives. Mind you, all the preservatives are natural, no synthetics, so still really good for you. Don't feel like you have to run away from that. Ocean salt has sea salt, and there is also fresh grapefruit infusion in here. So it is going to be very brightening on the skin, and it's going to be leaving you toned and extremely smooth and soft. Final body scrub I'm going to be talking to you about, as well as face scrub, is Cup O Coffee. So Cup O Coffee is one of those products that I have been using long before I ever even started or even thought I was going to get the opportunity to work for Lush. This is a body scrub. As I said, it contains fresh coffee grounds in it, so that's going to help wake up the skin. It's also very tightening. It has chocolate in it, so it's going to keep you youthful. It smells amazing, and it's really going to help you wake up in the mornings. I love everything. My God, I love everything about this. This just smells like everything you want to wake up to on Christmas morning. With the theme of body, this is something that you're going to use when you get out of the shower. So this is actually a massage bar. This is called the Wiki massage bar, I believe. I have to double check that, forgive me. This has a dookie beads. It also has cocoa butter and shea butter, so it is extremely softening. It also has cinnamon in it, which is awesome because it's good for like people that, let's say you work retail all day on your feet, you want to use this to massage into your ankles and your calves, construction workers that are constantly working using their bodies. This is going to be right up their alley, as well as athletes. So the way you use it is just you rub it on. It's going to heat up. This has no packaging, so it's listed as one of Lush's naked products. They call it naked because it doesn't have any packaging, like no plastic or anything like that. And then you rub it in with the Aduki beads, just like that. And that's so, it smells like cinnamony, very warming on the skin. You'll also feel the warming happening on the skin when you put it on. If I could like connect it with something, I'd say maybe a little bit like Tiger Balm, but like way more natural, way better. Just super nourishing. Also got the entire 2019 collection, spring collection, excuse me, of bath bombs. I'm not going to show all of them because there are so many, but I'm going to show you a few so you can get a feel of them. So this one right here, it looks like a strawberry. It's so cute. It also has fine micas of glitter in it, which all the glitter is biodegradable. It is not plastic based. I have the little thing right here, so bear with me, I'm reading. So this is the strawberries and cream bath bar. Like I said, it has sodium bicarbonate, fair trade organic cocoa butter, as well as bergamot oil. Bergamot oil is really gonna brighten the skin, it's gonna cleanse the skin, and all the other things are really just gonna soothe the skin, keep it really soft and supple. And the strawberry scent is really uplifting, as well as the bergamot oil scent. So that's all around going to be something good for like a morning bath if you have a lot of stuff to do, things like that. This is the Lucky Cat Bath Bomb. So if you guys look at it, it's super sparkly and it looks like a little cat. This is going to be really beautiful. It's pink and sparkly and really gorgeous. This has absolute jasmine and neroli oil, so it's going to be really calming as well. It's very citrusy in scent, but also not too overpowering. So all around, just a really pretty and useful bath bomb. This is the Sushi Bath Bomb. So this has Sicilian red mandarin oil in it. So it's going to smell, it's very fruity, but like, it's almost cotton candy like, if you will. Brazilian orange oil in it, so it's going to be very orangey. Even like in the middle right here, it's a little like slimy, like putty like. So this is really cool, different texture, and it's glittery all around. Let us cut up a few things as well. So this is also going to be for the body. This is, I believe, called a shimmer bar or a glitter bar. Gotta check. I think it's shimmer bar though. This is so beautiful. I don't know if you guys, it's probably not gonna pick up. This has fine micas of like gold glitter. So literally, kind of like the massage bar before that we used, you just rub it on the hand and then it leaves you sparkling. I'm gonna show you guys. Literally see, I only put on like not even that much. Probably did like 3 rounds of pushing it on my skin, and look at that. That's beautiful. This is Gorgeous moisturizer. So this is one of the most expensive products in Lush, but there is reason behind that. Gorgeous has cold pressed oils like I was telling you about before, so they're super rich and potent. So everything in here is going to work. This has cold pressed organic primrose oil, which is so important for retaining moisture onto the skin and smoothing out your skin. So if you have dry skin, Gorgeous is essentially going to be your best friend. It has cold pressed organic avocado oil, which is going to smoothen the skin. It's very enriching on the skin, and it's vitamin dense, so it's super important. The next product we're going to talk about is Grease Lightening. So Grease Lightening is a product to take away any indiscretions on the face, so pimples, dark marks, scarring, whatever the case is. Grease Lightening is going to really tap in. It has aloe vera, it has grape lavender oil, so it's really going to help calm down some of those crazy breakouts that we tend to get. I was also gifted some really other great products that I actually chose to give away. I was gifted Shangri-La, which is a moisturizer for oily skin that has like fine lines in it. I gave that to my friend. I had hand cream that was for things like psoriasis, eczema, really gonna work in there. So I gave it to my mother because she has it. She has eczema. So many products that I'm going to show you guys that I didn't get to show today, and that we're really gonna go into depth about as I continue my Lush journey. Skincare videos are coming back, makeup videos are coming back. They're all coming out at a rapid pace as well, because now I have so many tools to show you guys and so much more knowledge now that I've gained, and I'm really becoming a skincare professional. So it's going to be really impactful and amazing for this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to grow through Lush and show you guys this journey. I'm so blessed and so happy to have been given this opportunity, and I'm so grateful that I get to share this with you guys. It's something I've always wanted to do. It's near and dear to my heart, and I truly believe in everything that Lush does as a brand. If you have any questions, you want to share your type of skincare goals and things that you'd love to achieve with your skin or hair or body or legs, anything all around, Lush is going to help me give that to you guys and help me share my knowledge. So keep me posted. Comment below what you think about these products, if you use these products, what products you might need, and stuff that I can recommend to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video that should be coming out shortly.